And the following portion of Indy Now you're about to see is sponsored by Epcon Communities.
Take a look at this.
A lot of our viewers by now know about Epcon Communities. They've been popping up all over the place, and there's a reason for that. We're hanging out with our friend Kara from Epcon. And Kara, we always love chatting with you.
I love chatting with you too, Jillian. It's so good to see you.
It's good to see you. So the question I'm asking, of course, is why is this the new location here in Noblesville?
You know, Noblesville is just a city that's a great city to be a part of, somewhere where that we wanted to be a part of. And what we're seeing is more and more people are just choosing to be here every day. There are so many things here. It has a historic, charming downtown feel. There are trails, there are parks galore, and it just, if you spent any time in Noblesville, you can understand why it was just ranked one of the top places and most welcoming cities to live in the United States. So
I could not agree more.
Yes, and for us, that's what we want to provide our homeowners, is that welcoming sense. So it just matches really well for us.
Yeah, I love going to Noblesville for the boutiques, the restaurants, everything. So talk to me about what we're seeing here.
So today we're standing in our brand new community called the Courtyards of Hazel Dell. As you see, we are in the midst of working through land development. We are very excited to launch this community, and it just gives us what you would expect from an Epcon community.
Yeah. For those who don't know, I know you guys are known for that low maintenance living. Let's talk about some of the reasons, of course, people love the Epcon communities.
So here's what I'll tell you. I'll tell you why people, from what we're hearing, love Epcon communities, but I would love to hear you tell me what you would want your parents to see when they're downsizing.
Oh, I love this.
How about we start there?
Okay, this is good. I like it.
If your parents are thinking about downsizing, what would they be looking for in a home and in a community?
Oh, I know exactly what Karen and Mike are looking for. They love their dog Louie so much. So they want a place where they can find access to trails, take him on walks with beautiful trees. They want that. They're definitely going to want a place that has a little community center for a pool for their grandkids. So one on the way. They definitely want a place where they wouldn't have to worry about the lawn. And, you know, don't have to worry about the steps.
Okay, so everything you just said is everything we will have here in the Courtyards of Hazel Dell. The first thing that you said was a trail.
Yes.
So we will have direct access to the Midland Trace Trail. I don't know if you spend any time on it, but it is a 12-foot wide trail. You have to get on it. It's absolutely beautiful. They can take their dog on it. The second thing that you said was they wanted a pool and they wanted amenities. So we'll obviously have pool, we'll have amenities. The third thing you said was low maintenance. All of our Epcon communities are low maintenance. And then I think you said intimacy, but if not, I bet they'd want that.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, they're watching, I'm sure. So you guys, I mean, it's got all the things on the list. And I just love to, every time that I go in, I like the layout, the open concept, the way that you guys have designed it for entertaining a lot of times.
Yes, our homes, they're all based on research for those that are looking to downsize. We've talked about this before, but you just said your parents would be looking for something that would be 0 steps.
Yes.
What we're finding is that's what people want. They want 0 steps, they want the light, they want something that's very unique, and they want it in a community that has what we have to offer here at the Courtyards of Hazel Dell. Purposefully planned, small, intimately sized. We'll have 111 home sites here, and every single home is placed purposefully in the community to give a space for green space, to take advantage of the ponds that you'll see here, to be close to the community garden that we'll have here. So everything you just mentioned, they would be a perfect fit for this community.
I love it. I love hearing that, and I'm sure a lot of other people have interest in that. So what's the route if somebody is watching right now and they're interested, or they know someone who would be?
I'm glad you asked me that. So this is a little of a unique situation. So we're not necessarily on site yet. We will be in October, but right now, the best way to meet with one of our team members is to go to our website, call the phone number that's on the website so we can get a one-on-one appointment set for you, so we can really take that time to see if this is the right fit for you. Outside of that, we are selling out of our Fishers location at 113th and Southeastern if you're out and about on the weekend and want to stop in.
Absolutely. And you guys are all over the place. You have locations all over town.
We are. We're all over the place, but that one-on-one is really important for us. So if we can find that time to sit down with you, that's what we really value.
Well, thank you for giving us a preview as always. Like I always say, I love seeing everything transform from this to what we'll eventually show you later down the line. So Kara, thank you for having us out here.
Thank you so much. That is my favorite part too, is seeing this transformation. So I'm excited to see you when we're done.
Thank you so much. And if my mom and dad aren't watching, I'm gonna have to send this to them. Thank you. More Indy Now coming up after this.
Thank you.
The preceding portion of Indy Now was sponsored by Epcon Communities.